Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting once again with meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. Chris, kind of a humid start to the early morning.
Yeah, Joe, we got temperatures this morning that are up there right around 60 degrees, and those dew points are in the upper 50s as well. So we got pretty high relative humidity, some moisture out there in the air, and if we got any energy that's going to come out of Colorado, that will trigger some shower and thunderstorm activity. We will be in a marginal threat for late this afternoon and evening for some severe weather to come out of Colorado, kind of similar to what we saw last night where that stuff snuck across the border after 7 o'clock. It kind of weakened. It lost its severe potential once it got into Hitchcock, Dundee County, northern parts of Cheyenne and Rawlins County, and put down about a half inch of rain. We had some wind gusts up there, 50 to 55 miles per hour, and a little bit of hail out there close to the border in that Hagler and Park area up there in Dundee County. Out there today, we expect something similar today and tomorrow. Most of the severe weather threat will be to our south, down in Oklahoma and Texas, but we could have some marginal risk as energy does come out of Colorado. So we'll keep an eye on that stuff later today and this evening. Temperature-wise, we'll be in the upper 70s today. Tonight's low will drop to 53. Then tomorrow we're up to 72. It'll be a bit cooler, and those winds will be generally from a northeast or southeast direction at 5 to 15. Then we'll see a nice warm-up on Saturday to 80 degrees. That day is the biggest threat for severe weather. Looks like we'll have a line of storms that'll be more organized coming out of Colorado in the evening, and we could see some hail, damaging winds, and maybe even an isolated tornado or two. Overnight low temperatures will be in the middle 50s, and then as we head towards Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we start to continue to have those diurnal chances for thunderstorms in the evenings, late afternoons. However, it gets more scattered and hit and miss as we head into that time frame as our winds will become more west-southwesterly, become more breezier, 15 to 30 miles per hour, and we'll also see the temperatures really warm up. We're going a high of 88 on Sunday, 90 on Monday, continuing those upper 80s and low 90s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Again, we'll still have the chances for the scattered showers and storms in the forecast, but it looks like we're going to have a hot start and a little bit drier weather to start the month of June.
Chris, as we get into, say, the first half of June, do you think drier weather will continue?
It looks like we're going to continue to see an active pattern. Right now, as we go to the middle of the month, it's going to show a subtropical jet and low pressures coming out of the Great Basin region. So that'll keep shower and thunderstorm activity in the lower southern states, and it is indicating that it'll be in the front range of the Rockies and reaching into western Kansas. So I think we're going to continue to see the thunderstorms at least through the middle of June. As far as temperatures, it does look like we'll have this hot start there the first week of June, and then we got some cooler weather with a low pressure that'll be sitting off to the north and east a little bit. That'll bring some cooler weather to the Great Lakes and the Midwest, and that should reach into the plains as well.
Once again, that's meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.